Good morning, students. Last class we discussed the introduction of Euclid. Okay. Now today we will discuss postulates. In that postulate number one. Postulate number one. Okay. In this postulates, there is a unique line. There is a unique. There is a unique line that passes through the given two distinguished points or different points. Okay, this is first postulate. In that Euclid saying like this: there is a unique line that passes through the given two distinguished points. Means there is a unique means only one line passes. Take here one point. Through, before going to this, we will see through one point, how many lines are possible? Through one point, how many lines are possible through this point? One, here point will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many possible? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So many are possible through one point. Through one point, how many lines are possible? Infinite. So many are possible through one point. Through one point, how many are possible? Through one point, how many are possible? Infinite. More. Not possible to say, can't say, not possible to say, infinite. Infinite lines are possible through 2 points. See, here one point keeping, here one point keeping, here one point, here one point. Through 2 points. Here see. Through 2 points, how many are possible? Here one point is there. This is A point. This is B. Through 2 different points, how many lines are possible? Only 1 point. 1 means unique, only one. There is a unique line that passes through the given 2 distinguished, means 2 different points. 2 different points, how many are possible? Only one straight line only possible. But curves are possible. Curves means, for example, see here one point, here one point, here x, here y. The only one point possible. Maybe curves means possible. So many curves, so many possible. But these are not straight lines. These are curves. But straight lines are only possible. Straight lines are how many possible? Only possible. Maybe 3 points are there, means here one point, here one point, here one point. How many are possible? Not possible. How many are possible? Not possible. Maybe those are in same line, means those are in same line, means here one point, here one point, here one point. Those are same line, means possible. 3 lines means. Okay. So like that will be. This is first postulate. What they are saying is there is a unique line that passes through the given two distinguished points. Next, second postulate. Second postulate. In second postulate they are saying a line segment can be a line segment can be extended on either side. Extended on either side extended on either side to form a straight line. To form a straight line or line. To form a straight line. Okay. See, already we discussed about line segment, ray also. Line segment, ray also. For example, see, this is a line segment. Line segment means both side points will be. A line segment means here so many points, the number of points joining together. Number of infinity points are joining together, then this is making a line segment. For that line segment, this is AB line segment. For this line segment, what they are saying, a line segment can be extended on either side, both side. Either means both side, then it will become here extending, here also extending, there also extended, here also extended, then here also arrow mark, here also arrow mark. It is making like a line or straight line. This is postulate 2. Postulate 1, what they are saying, there is a unique line, only one line, it is passes through two different points. Next, a line segment can be extended on both sides from a straight line. For a line segment, we should extend both sides. It is making a line or straight line. Next, postulate 3, we can describe a circle with any. Postulate 3, we can describe a circle with okay, we can circle with any center and radius. Any center or and radius. Okay, radius. See, we can describe a circle, any center and radius. Say, for example, this is a circle. For this circle, we want what we want to compulsory, we want center, midpoint we want. Why? Where to we are joining? In geometry compass we have. In using that compass, one side needle will be, one side pencil will be, and keeping here joining, drawing a circle. So we want here first center, wherever will be center, here to should draw, making a circle, and small circle, big circle. The difference between small circle and big circle is radius. Okay, radius. Here radius may be 3 centimeters. We are taking 3 centimeters. Now we want still more big. and taking 4 centimeters. Okay, more than that we want still more big, 7 centimeters. Okay, like that will be still more big. Here compulsory we want here center and radius. Center and radius. First of all, what we want? Center and radius. Okay, like that will be according to radius. Size is increasing. See, we can describe a circle with any center and radius. Next, fourth postulate. Postulate number 4. What they are saying means in this about right angle. All right angles are equal to one another. All right angles okay, all right angles are equal to one another. Whatever may be, those are right angles or not. See, right angle means the angle between two hands. The angle between two rays is 90 degree. Those are called right angles. Okay, for example, this is AOB right angle. Okay, these are possible. Whatever will be. Here also 90 degrees. Okay. Here also 90 degrees. Okay. Whatever will be 90 degrees. See, all right angles are equal to one another. Here also 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. AOB 90 degrees. XYZ 90 degrees. PQR 90 degrees. Here all are different angles, but all are equal will be. Next postulate. All the right angles are equal to one another. Okay. Next, see here. What they are saying means, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the integer angles on the same side of it taken together is less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced infinitely, meet on the side on the which the sum of the angles is less than two right angles. Okay, what they are saying means already we know in 6th class came for us. 6th class came two lines here. The two lines are, this is L line, this is M, L comma M, two lines, two straight lines. These are parallel to each other. Then one more line, it is intersecting two different points, and here N is called transversal. Then here how many angles are forming? Here 4 angles, here also 4 angles forming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3 or 2, 4. Vertically opposite angles. 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5, 7, 8, 6. These two vertically opposite angles. Alternate interior angles. 3, 5, 4 6 alternate interior angles, 2 8 1 7 alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles 2 6 3 7 1 5 4 8, these are corresponding angles. These are all the angles are equal. These are all the angles are equal. Only one is different. Only the one is different. What is there? Means so angle 3 plus angle 6, sum of two interior angles, same side of the transversal is a supplementary angles. Means angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, like that only. Angle 2 plus angle 7 is equal to 180. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 8 also 180 degree. Why? Because same side of the transversal. Sum of two interior angles, same side of the transversal, are called supplementary angles. Here what they are saying means here maybe what they given means AB, this is a AB line, and one more, this is CD line, this is CD line. For this ABCD line, what happening means one PQ line will be here P, here Q. PQ line will be intersected to different points. But what they are saying means here, see, after here angle 1, angle 2, these two angles, angle 1, angle 2, these two angles are, if a straight line falling on two straight lines, this is straight line falling on two straight lines, makes the interior angles, means angle 1 and angle 2, angle 1 comma angle 2 interior angles on the same side of it taken together is less than two right angles. Angle plus 1, angle plus 1, angle 2, angle 1, angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 is less than 180. Then what happening means this line is going through this line, this line is going through this line. What happening after some time, these two are intersecting somewhere, these two lines are intersecting somewhere. Then here ABCD are not parallel lines. ABCD lines are not parallel lines. These two lines are parallel lines. What we discussed now, corresponding angles are equal, vertically opposite angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal. But here angle 1 plus angle 2, same side of the transversal, compulsory we want supplementary angles. Supplementary angles not there. What they are saying is less than 180, less than supplementary angles. Then what happening is after some time these two lines are intersecting. Okay, we discussed now here this class postulates, total 5 postulates discussed. Next class we will continue in next week. Thank you.